Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Sweeten and I'm the face behind Taylor Sweeten Photography and Design, and this is a review of the work that I did in COMM 315 social media design this semester. This semester I focused mostly on my photography work, and just to give you a little background, in 2016 I kind of accidentally signed up for my first photography class. I didn't know that that was the class that I would be attending, and I attended a few classes and decided that this is something that I wanted to learn and that it would accompany and complement my design skills well. And so I fell in love with photography and have continued to pursue it as kind of a side business as of right now. I love portraiture photography. Here's just a few examples of pictures that I've taken. I think it's a lot of fun to take pictures of people and capturing their emotions. It's been a lot of fun for me to learn. This semester I've decided to promote my work on two different social media platforms, on Instagram and Pinterest as well. And this journey started with rebranding. Excuse me. So, in the past, I've branded my business quite a few times, never really loving it, and this semester has probably been the most successful, because I tried to stay really simple. I like my photos to stand out, and so I decided that just sticking with black and white would be a great way to have a nice, clean, crisp logo and branding that wouldn't take away from my pictures. And so I was really happy with how that turned out this semester. Here's just a screenshot of the basic Pinterest branding as well as Instagram. Like I said, it's very black and white, so that the photos, like some of the ones I showed you just a few minutes ago, that those would stand out, and that this would stand in good contrast but not kind of take away from my work. So some successes that I had this semester, I should mention that I started completely over. I have had different social media accounts before for my photography, but I wanted to start completely over this semester with a fresh start and fresh branding. And so on Instagram, I gained 5 new followers, and my greatest amount of likes was 8 on a post. Excuse me. And on Pinterest, I also gained 2 new followers. Some areas that I want to work on as I move forward is being more strategic in my timing of when I post. I know that the more that I post, the more traffic comes to my pages. I've noticed that as I posted, the weeks that I posted more, there was more likes, there was more interaction, there was more people visiting, even just visiting my page, versus the weeks that I didn't, it kind of fell dead. And moving forward, I want to focus more on my design too. Like I mentioned, I want photography to kind of complement design work that I do. This is an example of wedding invitations that I've done in the past, so I want to start promoting those on my social media platforms as well. And so that's a little review of my social media design this semester.